The Ford Thunderbolt 427, introduced in 1964, stands as a legendary muscle car that epitomized the raw performance and innovation of the golden age of drag racing. Built by Ford with a singular purpose, the Thunderbolt was a limited production, factory-built race car that merged lightweight design with monstrous power. With only 100 units produced, it remains a coveted collector's item and an enduring symbol of Ford's racing heritage. The Ford Thunderbolt's exterior was all about function over form, with a no-frills approach aimed at shaving off every possible ounce of weight. Based on the Ford Fairlane, the Thunderbolt featured lightweight fiberglass panels, including the hood and fenders, along with plexiglass windows. The signature teardrop-shaped hood scoop hinted at the powerful engine lurking underneath while ensuring optimal airflow to the carburetors. Its minimalist styling, paired with utilitarian paint schemes, emphasized its role as a purpose-built drag racer rather than a luxury vehicle. Inside, the Thunderbolt was stripped down to essentials to prioritize weight savings and performance. Creature comforts like soundproofing, heaters, and even the radio were omitted to focus solely on speed. The interior featured a bare metal dashboard, lightweight bucket seats, and a simplified instrument cluster for essential data. This Spartan design wasn't about luxury. It was about giving drivers everything they needed for high-speed competition without distractions. The true heart of the Ford Thunderbolt was its 427 cubic inch V8 engine, part of Ford's famed FE series. Rated at 425 horsepower but rumored to produce much more, the engine featured dual Holley 4-barrel carburetors and a high-riser intake manifold for unparalleled airflow. Mated to either a 4-speed manual or a heavy-duty 3-speed automatic transmission, the Thunderbolt could rocket down the quarter-mile in the mid-11-second range, an incredible feat for the era. With its lightweight construction, short rear axle ratio, and drag racing suspension, the Thunderbolt redefined factory-built performance cars. The Ford Thunderbolt 427 remains an icon in automotive history, a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation and racing dominance in the 1960s. Its rarity, uncompromising design, and blistering performance make it a dream for collectors and a milestone for enthusiasts. A true legend of the drag strip, the Thunderbolt 427 left an indelible mark on the muscle car era, proving that raw power and engineering excellence could triumph in the competitive world of motorsport. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more related content.